Hello guys, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video we are going to be transforming this double-decker bed into a normal bed because my client wanted it to be a normal bed, so I'm going to be transforming it to a normal bed. As you can see, it's a double-decker and both sides are of the same. I'm going to be cutting one side into a headboard and then the other side make it shorter as the side for the legs. So make sure to stay tuned so that you can see the steps that are followed by transforming this double decker. So now, as you can see on the screen, I've already did cut this side into the height that I want, and I'm going to be adding that piece of wood on top so that I can level out this curve that you see here, and that is what I'm going to be doing. So if you like this kind of content, make sure to like our video, comment on it, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. You can also visit our channel, watch more of our content, more of our videos, because we have a lot of videos that you can learn something from them that is pertaining these transformation processes. Also, more of our videos have explained a lot of things. I've also mentioned the materials and tools that I usually use while doing this transformation DIYs. Using 1-inch nails, I did put this plywood on the frame, and also I did draw these patterns, and also I've already drilled these holes that you see that I'm going to be using for this design today. So this is the other side of the double decker, and I'm going to be cutting it into the size that is the normal size for the side for the legs, and I'm going to be showing you in a minute. It's now like this. I've already did cut it and also nailed down the plywood on it. So this is how it looks now. So now I have the two frames. They are of the normal sizes. Like, okay, it's now in the shape of the normal bed, that is. So what is left for me is to attach the form and start making the bed.